Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I'm Sumaira Nawaz from Senior Wing Boys, APSEC 4th Road, Rawalpindi. Hopefully, you all must be fine. As you all know, that in previous week we had discussed about the age of exploration, and I hope you must be able to understand that concept clearly. Now, in this week, we are going to discuss two main topics, which are the first one is the impact of voyages of discoveries, and the second one is Renaissance, the Age of Enlightenment. Starting from the first topic, that is the impact of voyages of discoveries. The word impact means effect, and voyages means a long journey by ship. As the age of exploration remained for more than 3 centuries, so of course it was having some deep impacts on society, especially in Europe, and naturally they were both positive and negative. I have given these impacts in points so that you must be able to understand them easily. Coming to the positive impacts, the first one is global interaction and introduction of new ideas, knowledge, and technologies. Second one is transformation of geography and making of world maps. The word transformation means change in form, appearance, or nature. That means different changes were happening in geography of the world. Third point is spread of different religions. Fourth one is exchange of food, plants, and goods. And fifth one is lesser prices and increased quantities of the same goods. It was due to competition in market, products became more affordable. Let's discuss the negative impacts. The first one is wars for colonization and massive death of people. Here, the word colonization means when the powerful countries ruled over the weak countries and captured their resources. The second point is beginning of 300 years slave trade, especially in Africa. And remember that trade was of human beings, not of goods. The third point is Arab merchants lost their supremacy or power over trade. Why? Because they were having so much competition from the Europeans and they were unable to complete their hold in market. The fourth point is European colonizers earned a lot of wealth through trade of goods, spices, and precious metals. The fifth point is race. There was having a race for making bigger ships and deadly weapons. And last but not the least, spread of different diseases. Why? Because the people of different parts of the world they were interacting with each other, and due to that interaction, the diseases were spreading throughout the world. The second topic we are going to discuss is Renaissance, the Age of Enlightenment. The word Renaissance means revival or rebirth, and enlightenment means the state of being enlightened. It was an intellectual movement which was started in Europe during 18th century. This was a time when reason was a key of success. The thinkers of this idea believed on logic, scientific discovery, and observation instead of spirituality. That means they were discouraging religion and giving more importance to scientific methods. They believed that the universe acts according to universal and unchained laws, and reason is the only way to explain and understand the world. In short, they gave more importance to human beings as compared to creator. Discourage the religion. Anyhow, many new technologies were introduced during this time period. Now it's time for your assignment. You have to find out the answer of three questions. Firstly, which countries or nations proved to be more successful during the age of exploration? Second one, make a list of scientific discoveries At the end, I want to say thank you and good luck.